Welcome to Healthy by Heath. Behind me is a retention pond. This is a great time of year to go ahead and cut the grasses and the weeds down. It's pretty windy, so my voice is going to be affected by that. Anyway, as you can see, that's behind me. I've already cut about 30 to 40% of it, and then now I'm going to get cutting the rest of it. Hi, thank you for coming. This is Healthy by Heath. Please click on the subscribe button below and also the notification button if you get a chance. That way you'll get updates as to when we submit more videos and with great recipe ideas. Hey, welcome to Healthy by Heath. So this is the Weed Wacker, and it's run by gas, so you gotta pull this, but as you're pulling that, you wanna make sure that you flip this down, so that's on, that's off, stop is to push up, that's why the arrow says up and then stop. So we push it down for on. You don't actually want to hold on to these when you start it, you just want to put your hand there, and then you're going to pull on that, which I can't do, and hold the camera. But I'll get this started, and then after it starts, you give it gas by hitting this, and that gets the Weed Wacker stuff down there, whatever that's called, the 2 wires or whatever. Anyways, that gets those spinning, and you just go about weed whacking. So that's how you start one of these bad boys. Get a good grip, and then you just pull hard. And that gets it going, and then from that, now we need to cover how to put more string on, and it's pretty easy. I do about 3 arm lengths of this stuff. It doesn't come all prepared in a roll, at least not here. And I did that, and I cut it off, and then I come down here, and there's a 2 push valve, push levers, whatever you want to call it. On here, you just gotta locate those, and once you locate those, you just pull it off, and then you're gonna want to tie your string around here, and then you just start. One goes in the bottom one, and then the other will be in the top one. Good luck. When you're doing this kind of work, you want to fight the urge to get the outline going. I always want to start at the fence line and kind of work way in, but that's not good for those things, because that's where you're most likely going to cut those and lose that. That's why when you hit it, more comes out. That's the whole reason why, is because they cut off. And the fence or rocks are where that's going to happen. So I try to get the middle where it's most dense anyway first. Then we'll lose a lot less of that, and then I do the fence line or the rocks and things like that, edging, whatever you want to call it. I do that at the end because I know I'll be losing the most of the string, and I have a huge field to do here, so obviously you don't want to lose the string. So do the fence line last, we get the rest of this, and I'll take a quick video at the end so you can see how we did.